Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be having a very special unboxing and review video, and it's no other one than the Romoss PEA40 Pro, one big beast of a power bank. And just in case you are doubting the authenticity of what you purchase, you can just get your smartphone and scan the QR code that you find at the bottom right corner, and ensure it's real. And if you can also check out the specifications of this power bank, you see this promises a fast charging of literally 65 watts. You can see the model number, the capacity, input, output, like the entirety of the specification, and a couple description about the power bank. So we're going to go right into the unboxing. And I think this is really one beautiful experience. It's actually even giving you that eco-friendly and premium unboxing experience, right? Kudos to the design and packaging team from Romoss. And first thing we get to see in box is the power bank, and oh my gosh, this is really one beautiful, really one hefty size, really beautiful. And you can see the 65 watts well advertised there. Next thing we have in box is some manuals, and then you take off the other section of the box to get the type C to type C cable for both charging and recharging your devices. So I would always encourage people to always review their manuals whenever they purchase things. Don't be like me that wouldn't go through the manual or just figure it out. So really go through your manual. So yeah, first things you want to do whenever you get any gadget, or especially your power bank, first thing you want to do is to ensure you charge it full. And in our front here, you see we have 65 watts boldly advertised, promises to charge fast. And we have our LED display. Then at the top we have two USB type a type C port, which of course promises fast charging, and its input and output. Then we also have micro USB and lightning cable for iPhone users. At the bottom we have informations about your power bank. So like I said initially, ensure that you charge your power bank full first before use. And as you can see from mine here, it is already full. So yeah, you can go ahead and have a beautiful experience enjoying your power bank. So in the LED display, you realize that there are actually a lot of specifications you could find. If you tap on the button once, you get to see the voltage output and also the output in ampere. So I did that and it worked, and currently I'm trying it again. It wouldn't work. I really have no idea why. So currently all it's doing is displaying 100%. But if you just have to tap the button once and it's going to show you voltage, or it's going to show you the ampere. And I was doing this same tapping and it wasn't working, to the extent I had to get back to my manual, the same manual I would usually not utilize, and then nothing was working. So I just left it, right? So we're going to move into something very exciting, which is testing if this can really charge my laptop, especially as at promise. This boasts a 65 watts and laptops is just around 45 watts, and we're just going to confirm by ourselves, like just right away. And you can see that it literally does charges the laptop. So zooming in, you can see it's not charging, and then when I connect it, you can see it's charging. And honestly, I've been really using this to charge my laptop for a while. But one thing I'll tell you is my laptop doesn't really last compared to when I charge with my the laptop's charger. So yes, I really recommend this power bank for a fact that it charges very fast and also charges your device very fast. Like this thing gets full in just about an hour 30 minutes, 2 hours. And then it's also able to charge my laptop. You can see now the voltage is being displayed. So you can get this for just around $75 to about 90,000 naira in Nigeria. So it's a good buy.